1 cent piece. I was bloody hoping it was going to be another shilling or a penny or half penny, I don't know, something good. Ah well. But you know what, a 1 cent piece is going to be awesome in like 50 years time. The younger detectorists are going to be like, man, I found a 1 cent piece or a 2 cent piece, they're going to be stoked. So probably rebury it, let them find it. Alright, I'll fill these holes in and I'll keep on swinging. G'day guys, I've just come out the bush again. I'm in out of East Victoria. I'm only out for about an hour, so I decided I'd bring the dog, which he's right there, and he's attached to my hip. So I'm going to do a little bit of a scan of this area. I'm not going to be here long, so I thought I'd quickly do an intro just as I found a target, which I found a target just here. And it's jumping around a little bit, but what I might do is I might put you guys down and we'll have a look at what we've got. Okay, so first target again was the bottle cap. Not too sure what kind of bottle cap it is. It's got a pretty cool design on it. So alrighty, well I'll keep having a look around and see what I can find. If there's anything good, I'll put the camera down and we'll have a look. Okay guys, I've got a target here. It's alright, she's jumping around a bit, so it could be another bottle cap, but I'm not going to let it go, so I'll put you guys down and we'll have a look. Alright, it's not just a bottle cap, it's the bottle as well. Lucky I didn't pierce it. It's a cool little bottle. Not too sure. Oh, it's got the same cap as the other one. Oh, there you go. Cool. Alright, next find. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, I've got a pretty clear signal here. I'll put you guys down and we'll have a look. What are you doing? Oi, stop rubbing yourself and shit. Bugger. Alright, dog's rubbing himself and shit. Over there. Oi, Gus! Gus, come here. Come here. Oi, sit. Sit down. Sit down, stay there. Stay there. And I picked up another piece of rubbish. So he's rubbing himself and shit, and I've picked up some rubbish. Good start. Alright, trudge on. Alright guys, found another target here in this beautiful fluffy moss. Like, it's just like bloody carpet. So nice. I actually really enjoy it out here. So does Gus. Gus, come here. Oi, come here. Look at him. He loves it. Hey? Alrighty, so I've got a target there. She's coming up in the 22 to 24. So I'll put you guys down and we'll have a look at what it is, and let's just hope it's not trash. Alright, bullet casing, sounded awesome, but it wasn't gas. Holy shit, it's like 50 meters away. Gus, come here, little bugger. Alright, onward and upward, and maybe through this bush, see if I can kind of work my way through it all. Come here. What are you doing? Jeez. Jeez, man. Cheeky butt. Alright. Alrighty, next target. Alrighty guys, I've got a signal there. It's not high in the numbers. It's about a 19 to 20. I'll show you. Jumps around the 17, 18 to 21. So I'm going to put you guys down and we'll have a look what's in there. Alrighty, obviously there was a lot of hunting going around, but that's my third bullet in about, I don't know, about 5-10 minutes. So sounds clear, but probably not in the best numbers. And I've lost my dog again. Gus. Alright, find my dog and next target. Alrighty guys, I've found a kind of an old digger's hole that I'm in with a few broken bottles of VB or something. And again, Gussie's found something. Look at him. I think he's chasing lizards or something. What are you chasing? Oi! Gussie, what are you chasing? Anyway, I'm trying to keep him a bit close because there's been a few incidences of 1080p and snakes and all that kind of stuff. So he's 9 years old, so I still want him to live his life and not be so bubble wrapped and tied to my hip, you could say, as he was at the start. So I'm just going to let him run around a bit as long as he stays close. But anyways, we've got a target here. Sounds pretty good. Could be another bullet. I've got about 4 or 5 of those now, so I'll put you guys down and we'll have a look. And it's not a bullet, it's You Beauty. It is a halfpenny, which I can't really read, it's covered in dirt, but it is a halfpenny, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll just rub it on me jeans. I've got to bring one of those squirt bottles around with me on the next adventure. Now I've got another video that's got to go up also that I did probably a couple of weeks ago now. Oh no, probably about a week ago. And I found some really good coins and a little badge. So I'll be putting that up in the next couple of days. Alrighty, so still can't read the dates and it's still pretty screwed, but it's a halfpenny anyway. So there you go, halfpenny coin down. Awesome. Next target, let's go. I'm bloody stoked. I tell you what, I get so bloody excited when I see a signal like this. It's a, oh look at that, she's, oh what, nah, she's 24, 25 and she's shallow. So, oi. Now I get so bloody excited, and you know what? I don't want to get excited, because if I get excited, right, it turns out to be something pretty shit. So, what I'm going to do, and you know what? I don't even have to dig for this one. It's right there. Look at that. Look at that. See the look on my face? It's bullshit. So, like I said, I'm not going to get excited when I hear those kind of tones on the knocks, because I get excited and then I get let down. So, looks like, oh, there's the other part of it. Oh no, it's another one. Bloody hell. These bottles everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Alright, cool. Let's keep swinging. See if I can get another target. Alright, next target, let's do it. Look at him. Wait, that's my hole. Find your own. Alright, so I got another target. Sounds awesome. Doesn't sound like it's got any iron in it. So, it's a clear 31. Not going to get excited. And I'll dig it. I'll put you guys down and we'll have a look. Alright, so she's out. Oh, look at that. She's out. She's out. What's that? Oh, I'm dropping it. Oh, I love this. Alright. Got another penny. And it's a roo penny. Yeehaw. So, I think I've only been about an hour. And so far, 2 coins. I'm really stoked about. I have to clean this up, and at the end, don't know, what is it? I'll give it a bit of a rub. My jeans are getting screwed. Alright, I'll just wipe it on my jeans. Oh, who cares? And then I'll have a look. $19.55. 50. I think 1950. I think it's 1950. 1950. 1950 roo penny. There you go. How good's that? Pretty stoked. Alright. Next target. Let's do it. No more of these bullets, eh? Alright, so got another target here. And like the last time I said, I wasn't going to get excited, but you got to listen to this. Oh, what? Tone's changed. No, it hasn't. It's 26. There's a 26. So I'll put you down in a nice comfy spot and we'll jump in and we'll see what it is. Hopefully it's a even a penny would do me. I'd be pretty happy with that. So put you down, we'll have a look. So there you go. Nice. Buddies. I'll tell ya, these twos are everywhere. They're absolutely everywhere, these 2-cent pieces. It's crazy. Alright, my pocket's getting full now. It's getting full of, oh actually there's a bottle cap. Pocket's getting full of coins. How good's that? Alright. Cool. Let's do it. On to the next one. Alrighty guys. I've got another target there, down here. And she's coming up in 24, 26. She's jumping around a little bit, so could be another bullet. Don't know, but I'm going to dig it up. So we'll see what's in there. Have a look. Gus, come here. Look at that. Another one. Ram's Head Shilling. Bloody you beauty. This spot's actually pretty good. In about 20 meters, I've found that half penny, the 2 cent, and now the shilling. How good is that? And I didn't even stuff it with my blade. I'll just wipe it down on my wrecked jeans again. That's what I'm doing. On the ribbed part. On the ribbed part of my jeans, mate. Where is it? So 1964. See, they're not that old, eh? 1964. It's crazy good. I'm stoked with that. Ram's Head Shilling. Like, you bloody beauty. That just makes me so happy. Alright. Pocket's actually getting full of coins. It really is. Alright. Next target. Let's do it. You know what, guys? This is one of those holes. I just lifted up the detector just to quickly check it again. And there is another signal. So I'll put you guys down again and we'll have a look. Oh, look at that. Oh, dropped it. Yep. Another ram's head. That's two. That's 1 and 2 in the same hole. This happens a lot. It's like if they lose a coin, if back then, if they lost the coin, they didn't just lose 1, they lost 2 or 3 or 4 or something happened and they just kept losing them. Where are these coins? So that's 2 Ram's Head Shillings in 1 hole. Trying to get it out of my pocket. I can't get it out. Alright, so that's 2. 2, 1 hole. I was only meant to come out for an hour. I thought I'll just have a quick detect and voila. New beauty, couple of silvers. Down. I'm so happy with that. Alright, I'm going to detect a little bit more around here and see how I go. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, I've got another target down there. trying to not keep the I'm trying not to get the sunlight in the camera, but can only kind of work it from this angle. So I'll put you to the side. I'll show you what the signal is. It's not the best. Alrighty, looks like another 2-cent piece. You beauty. Man. I'll be loaded. I mean, like, in just 2s and 1s, I think I'm up like 8 cents. That's enough to buy nothing. Anyways, alright, next target, let's do it. Alright guys, I've got another target here. I reckon it's gonna be my last one because it's getting on and I want to go home and have a drink. But she is humming around the 26 to 31 or in between. So what I'll do is I'll put you guys down and we'll have a look. Gus, come here. Alrighty, I've found the clump of dirt she's in. At least I think that's it. Actually, I'll move back a bit. Ah, that was my zipper. Alrighty, I'll put you guys down and we'll have a look. Oh. What is she? A 1-cent piece. 1-cent piece. I was gonna call that too. Should have called it. Alright, 1-cent piece. In the pocket, fill the hole up. Next target, I'm about 100 meters to the car. And there's some people that have just pulled over and checking me out, so I don't know what's going on. Or they don't know I'm here and they're probably gonna shoot off to the side of the road to have a wee or something. I don't know. Alright, anyways. Ooh. I'll fill the hole in and next target. Alright guys, I think this is my last 2 digs of the day. There's 2 signals here. I'm going to put you down, we're going to dig them up, and I'm going to go back to the car, I'm going to show you what I've got, and I'm going to get out of here, go home, and have a super duper. Alrighty, 2-cent piece, that's the first target, and the second target, if it's still there, I'll have a look. Alright, rubbish. So there you go, that was my last dig for the day. Now, I'm going to swing all the way back to the car, so don't think I'm just going to walk out of here the next 80 meters without swinging. I am going to swing all the way. So if I do find something, I'll grab the camera, but if I don't, adios amigos. So had an awesome couple of hours. It was only meant to be out here for about an hour, but I don't think I could love walking through the bush, getting scratched up, covered in spiders in the heat so much, unless I was doing this. I wouldn't do it without a detector in my hand, so, but I've got a spider on me there, I think. I don't know, see something flying around. So, thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe, comment, say g'day, hit the like, don't be shy. Ooh. And yeah. Holy cow. Bit of shit going on there. Bunch of hoons throwing rocks out cars. Alright. You wouldn't think you'd get it out here. I see you do. So, thanks for watching. Stick around for the next video. Hope you liked it. Don't be shy. Say g'day. I like having a yarn. So, fill those holes in. Take it easy. See you on the next video. Enjoy this one. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. And wait for the next video to come out. Alright, ciao. Alright guys, so I haven't left yet, and I was swinging all the way to the car, and then I got a 24-25 signal on the Knox, and I thought to myself, nah, I'm gonna dig it. Started digging it, and then look what I came up with. Right there. How good is that? I'm bloody stoked, I swear to God. Like, I'm just stoked. In fact, I don't know, I feel like I want to just keep it in that clump of dirt. I'll probably free that little, oh, there it goes, there it is. Look at that. Look at that. How good. In the hole, and I'll just pick it out now. How nice. So, oi. This is obviously a half shilling. Oh, sorry, a half penny. Gus, stop it. Half penny. Can't get the, man, I swear to God, it's like tradition for me just to pick up a coin and then drop it back in the hole. That's crazy. So I can't read, I don't know if it's my eyesight or what, but I always have trouble trying to read the date. Can never do it. Either way, what I'll do is I'll round them all up. Might even chuck them on the tailgate of the four-wheel drive, and I'll show you what I got today. Or I might just put it on some nice timber or something, make it look nice for a thumbnail or something. How's that? Alright. Keep swinging. I'm swinging all the way to the car. I swear to God. It's just true form to be a swinger all the way to the car from a metal detectorist. You just got to do it. Is that how it goes? Yeah. Alright. Alright, next target or car? One or the other. Alright guys. Alright guys. I've lined up all the finds and put them neatly on this soft bed of moss. Looks beautiful. So I'm going to show you what I got today. I've got 7 bullets. Actually 8, and this one right here. 3 1s, 4 2s, 2 shillings, 1 penny, and 2 half pennies. How grouse is that? So I'm pretty stoked with that. Rightio. So again, if you love the video, comment. If you really love the video, subscribe and give us a like, thumbs up, all that kind of stuff. hit the bell notifications, because I'm going to start uploading more videos in the next week. Look at him just walking on my, he's just walking all over my treasure. It's crazy, not a care in the world. All right, have a good one. See you in the next video. Comment, say g'day, because I like having a yarn, like I said before, and I'll catch you soon. Ciao.